Hey everyone, so how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine. So, we are here for another live session. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader. So, as you all know, we are trading NAS 100 live and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. We are trading on 5 minutes time frame and strategy we are using is simple price action. The main theme for this program, for this channel is to provide you real essence of trading. In reality, what is trading? What realistic expectations you should keep while you are trading, while you are thinking to pursue trading as a career. So all these answers to these questions you will get during our sessions, right? So let's start today's session. We'll make the analysis, then we'll talk in between regarding other things. Alright, so I hope now my screen is visible to you and my charts are visible to everyone. So chart on the screen you are seeing is of NAS 100. Let's do a quick recap. So this was yesterday's trade. We had our stop loss hit. This was the entry we took and we had a stop loss of around $100 and our balance is now $9,700, right? So let's make today's analysis. We'll start with 1-day time frame chart. So what you can see, clear higher lows and higher highs are forming. So overall trend is bullish only right now. A very good evening friend right now. So 4 hour, what are you seeing on 4 hour? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So it's a kind of reversal. Just wait, there's an important call coming. Alright, so kind of not very satisfied with this 4 hour. Maybe it can shoot higher, maybe it can shoot lower. It's kind of a good support also. Maybe it can support from this area and then start another formation of a higher high. Next is 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on this. It's a clear cut downtrend on 1 hour. Lower low, you can see a lower high and then again a lower low, right? So next is 15 minutes time frame. There was a high impact news today that the effect of this candle you are seeing here, some CPI or anything, it was there. So let's mark few levels on 15 minutes. I think our previous levels will be now in use. This was a level for us. This was also important level, right? Below this also you can see this one. All right. let's see if we have few other levels, so we can use this also. You can see how beautifully market reacted to this zone. Most probably it will strike here only again. Let's shift to 5 minutes time frame now. So either a double bottom from any of this zone with a good engulfing candle can be a trade for us, right? Or if it breaks out, a retesting red candle can be a trade for us for target in any of this zone. So these are the ideas for today. Very simple, nothing complex, right? So let's see how market reacts. We'll trade accordingly. I'm here only. I have just some important work. So my chart is running. I'll be speaking in between. Just 5-10 minutes of work. Yep. So we have to wait right now for any clear indication. Although it is a kind of breakout and retest, but it's not a proper retest. So we'll wait for a proper retest if we have to take a downside trade. Right now, I don't think any entry is being triggered according to our rules. So this is our account. So actually, I have today some important work in the hospital. That's why I have to make frequent calls. So yesterday I guess I was analyzing little bit about the trades that we have taken in past, like these trades. And you know what did I got? That I am very good, nice at patience, right? But I think I can be more better in that. Some of the trades are properly out of eagerness to take entry. Even after having so much patience, still you can see in this trade, we took our entry at this candle, right? And after that, you can see how beautiful a double bottom was formed, how beautiful it was an engulfing candle for us, and how beautifully, if we would have taken this trade nicely, we would have booked the target. Same on one more trade I'll show you. Same here. We took our entry here. After that, you can see how beautifully a double bottom was formed here, and it was a nice engulfing candle at this level. A proper trade would have been run, and see how beautiful we would have achieved our target. But we have took the entry and we were have converted to a losing trade. So even more patience market requires. Like if your setup or something is forming, don't be eager to take that entry. When market wants to give a good rally, it gives you proper time to take entry to decide things. It is never very fast. Like yesterday, if you remember, I was telling that the manipulation it is showing, it is for sure decisive for a big move. See how beautifully after that it reached to completely new highs, 18051. Maybe if you will have such patience and think, you may miss some trades, but the trades which you will be winning, your win percentage will increase. That means your win rate will increase if you will properly wait for the setup. These are the small mistakes that you have to analyze over time and you don't have to repeat those again. A trader is someone who learns from his mistakes. And if you will keep on repeating same and same mistake again and again, you will never become a profitable trader. New mistakes are accepted, but repeating the old ones is not accepted. Which you know, yes, I am doing a mistake and it is wrong, and still you are doing, that is never accepted. And if you are learning in that learning attempt, you are doing any new mistake that you have yourself faced first time, that is accepted. So try to keep your psychology right, have more patience. Even this much patience is not sufficient, you need more patience. So yesterday we had an analysis. Let's see. So this was the analysis which we took yesterday. One target was hit straight away. After that, at this level, there is no engulfing candle that triggers you to take any entry. And now I think it will form and then it is again an entry for next trade. So let's see if it goes for a retest and if it gives us any engulfing candle. Our entry criteria is just a bearish engulfing candle. If it is not there, we will not take an entry, and it will be good enough if we get a double top here. So let's see what will happen. Yeah, so let's see how it behaves. It may form a double bottom from here also, quite possible. It may go for a retest and shoot down again. Still, that's also possible. So this whole is a zone, right? It's good support zone here where market is right now. So even if we get a double bottom from here with an engulfing candle, we can take a buy entry also. But my signal is bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, right? Nothing more, nothing less. And if it will be a double bottom with that too, that will be cherry over the cake. 95% your job is to just wait and watch. Just 1 or 2% is your execution. Until you will understand this, you will not become profitable. Because if you will have habits of just pressing the buttons again and again, things will never get right for you. Main thing in trading is patience only. So this was a trade today we gave in the signal group, in the paid one. It seems like it hits the stop loss. No, first it went for the target, but it was so rapid that even I have placed pre-orders, still it closed only here only. After that it went down, but our trade was over then only. Nice 1:2 trade. So it's 8 p.m. candle now, a high momentum candle. So if we get an engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle, we can take this trade. Let's wait and watch what happens. So yesterday Bitcoin crossed $50,000 once again. What are your points, your views on crypto? I am very optimistic for it. I am tracking it very regularly and had invested good amount. When people were feared out, I was investing more and more because I am quite a bit optimistic for that. Yes, I said our setup has properly worked out. Told you it is going to shoot very soon. I predicted this also. You can see a very nice inverse head and shoulder here. A nice breakout, nice retest, a nice engulfing candle. Just see. This also I was tracing. You can see here also. What pattern does it form? Simple inverse head and shoulder, and see what happened after that. So what it will do is it will face rejections here, here, if it, and in that only it will pass few months. After that it will start his rally as per previous experience, but anything new is always open in the market. Anything can happen. Yeah, so the candle right now is forming. If such candle is formed, I will take an entry. It is a proper double bottom, proper engulfing candle from good support. So I'm very much open for this trade and I'll keep the stop loss wide and we'll go for 1:2. Right? So it's a 75 point stop loss. So it will be better if we risk complete $120 on this trade, because if the trade will be formed, it will be properly according to the plan. So we'll see here. I think let's open the trade now. So we have opened this trade. Candle is closed. Right? It has closed above this. So it is an entry signal for us. And 1:2 is I will be targeting. So I'll be risking, I'm telling you, exactly $120. So I have placed the stop loss here. You can see we have kept this as a stop loss. So this will be the target, because the position size which I have took, it will be a $120 loss if we hit this stop loss. So this is our target. Let's place our target order. Stop loss I have placed from my cell phone. So you can see the entry price is 557 and our stop loss is 510. So what is the difference? It's 47 points. So what will be the target? 94 points from the entry. Your entry is 557. That will be 561 and 651. So target will be 651. Just modify it and place your target at 651. Right? So trade is started. Let's see, whatever happens, we'll accept it. Four 794. I think it's okay. Just wait, there's an important call coming. Let this trade run. You can see on the screens. So our trade is running. Let's see how it behaves. As I say, you're never sure until the trade is closed. So why I have risked $120 on this trade? Good level, engulfing, entry on chart pattern, bias, I told you, no 8 p.m. candle, so A plus setup. That's why $120. Cool. So this is how you take your best possible trades. After that, as I say, results are never in your hand. Whatever happens is readily accepted. Any questions, any doubts, anything you want to ask, you're free to ask. Those who are new viewers watching, you can watch the session from starting to see how we analyze the markets, how we plan the trades, and how we take the entries. And if you feel that things are useful to you, you are getting to learn something, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Keep your psychology right, things will fall in place for sure one day. Don't lose hope. Initially, trading is difficult. It's the most difficult profession to make the most easy money. That I can assure you. That once you have hacked that code, and that you will always get with hard work only. There's no shortcut. Told you in starting only that even if you take courses or anything you take for learning the trading, for adapting to that system, for making that psychology, you need time. It's not like you will be profitable overnight in just 1, 2, 4, 5, or 10 days or month. It will take time. For some, it's years, for some, it's months. Mostly, it takes years for you to become profitable because your expectations are wrong from trading. You are thinking that it's kind of a lottery ticket. You feel it's a get rich quick scheme, but it is none of the above, right? It is a complete business kind of thing that you will learn with hard work, that you have to give time like other things. As I am a doctor also, I know how much hard work I have given to my profession, and for trading, that same hard work is needed. There's no physical, I know, but mentally you will be exhausted at that next level. You will have breakdowns, when you will suffer frequent losses, when nothing will work out for you. You will curse yourself why you are trading. You will shut your screens off. You will say to yourself, I'll not trade anymore. It's over for me. That, this, that. These things, these thoughts come to your mind very regularly. But the person who overcomes all these things becomes a successful trader one day for sure. That one thing, that you never accept a loss, right? You are stubborn that I'll do it, be it any situation, be it any condition. You are optimistic for trading, you are thinking, no, I will do it for sure. Then for sure you will make it one day. And when you will make it, you will realize that yes, at the end, it was all worth it. If any profitable trader out there listening to us, for sure he'll agree to that, what I am saying. Because these things you will come to know with your experience only. I have such experience, that's why I am sharing it with you all people. And I am, till now, you have realized that I am always sharing real knowledge only. I am not faking things, I am not faking any results, I am not faking any other thing also. I want to keep things real and genuine. In reality, a trader will lose challenge. In reality, trader will take time to pass challenge. In reality, trader will have breakdowns, right? These things will happen. It's not like you are always having that winning streaks, making hundreds and thousands of dollars, and you are just traveling the world and that's it. It's not a life of trader, right? To reach that level, you have to do a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifice. It's not something just sitting on the screen and doing that thing. To achieve that thing, you have to give hard work. For sure, one day you will achieve that with trading, but it requires a lot of dedication and hard work. No one out there can deny on this thing, which I am saying. A person who is coming to you and saying in a reel, just sharing my 6 years experience in 6 seconds to you people. I just laugh on them. How can you how can you even say that? If you have really struggled for 6 years, you will never say that I will teach you that all the things in just 6 seconds. It's really a shame that even if you are saying that, right? These kind of reels, these kind of things are out there to, influence people and just fake influencing, not real, completely fake. I'm not even able to share my all knowledge with you people in 3 months also with just so 1 2 hour long sessions. How can you share all the things in just few seconds? Even if you are saying that you are playing with the career of people, you are playing with their mindset. You're making them feel that trading is so easy that you will sit on the screen and from next day you will start making money. This happens in just fake world only. In reality, these things will not happen. That's why my main essence of this is to not teach you price action or anything. Yeah, I agree that that is also one of the goal, but the main goal is to make your expectations right, to make your psychology right. And to build a right psychology, it takes time. You will learn technicals in 1 2 3 months, but for psychology, you need a lot of long time. You have to regularly listen to these things. Just wait, there's an important Yeah, so I'm back. There's one important call from the hospital. So let's see, will this trade work out or will it shoot down? All the possibilities are always open until the trade is closed. So I'll just wait for this candle. After that, I'll close this session. I have to urgently go to the hospital again for some work. There's some emergency out there. So we'll just wait for this candle. After that, we'll let the trade run. We have placed our targets and stop loss. Whatever will be happen, I'll accept it and I'll update that in the night or tomorrow in tomorrow's session. Yeah, it's a lot different, difficult and different. Tomorrow there will be no session. I am updating you in advance. I have a night duty tomorrow in the hospital, so I won't be able to come live in the evening. If there are any changes, I'll update on the Telegram group. Otherwise, most probably it won't be there. So let's leave this trade here only. I am I have placed the orders. Whatever will be happen, we'll check it. I'll update that on Telegram. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Good night. It was a nice session. Nice talking to you people. Your host, your friend, Dr. D.